Yes, the agenda for today's class. Let's understand slowly how to do the installation of SQL Server and step into our practice. Okay, let's observe it carefully. Before we start the installation, yes, what is database? Let's get started. Karunakar, do you hear me? Please check your mic. I could see your chat message few moments back. Can you hear me now? Karunakar Nimma, please check your mic, please. Unmute your mic. Karunakar, please check your mic, please. I'll wait. Aziz, please check your mic. Please, I'll wait. Aziz, kindly check your mic.
Yes, sir.
Fine, sir. Thank you. And Kishore, can you hear me? Please check your mic, please. Kishore, please check your mic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine, sir. Yep. Let's get started. Agenda for today's class, installation and slowly start our practice. For that, let's have the prerequisite database concepts. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. I'll mail you all these notes. Let's stay tuned. There are different types of databases like OLTP, online transaction processing database, to store live data, real-time data, and other data warehouse. Karunakar, I could see your chat message. Thank you. Data warehouse,
Yes.
to store old, thank you, sir, to store old historical data, inactive data. I'll update the notes. I'll mail it today. Historical data. Assume a live cricket match. Okay, this OLTP. Old data is there, right? Past old matches data will be warehouse. But why? Why to store the old data? Yes, for future analytics, predictive analysis. Yes, all kinds of predictions. In fact, let me whisper, bettings, cricket bettings, everything OLAP only. In my country, it is banned. In other countries, it is legal. Few other countries, it is legal. We call it as predictions. It's a concept. So all speculations, predictions, chances to win, chances to lose, right? Everything OLAP. Now, different job roles. We have developers, data engineers, business analysts, data analysts, and database admins. They need to work together in a single project to get on with the life of our data. I repeat again. Let me put this way, in a simple way. The life of our data starts with applications, our websites, forms, devices, or events like cricket match, football match, etc. Because the reason for me telling this way, in our later classes, we have something called as England Premium League match data. What is it? England Premium League EPL match data. That's a live data we'll be talking about. Okay, and here we'll be understanding how to work with. I'll show you something like this quickly. One of our examples, we'll be taking something like this, like a live real-time example, just like IPL, just like our IPL, Indian Premium League, we have something called as EPL. Long back, it is there from 3 decades, EPL, England Premium League match data. So every year they play football matches. And we'll be taking this particular use case scenario. These are all data from events, from matches. So this data will go to the website. From website, it goes to database. From database, it goes to warehouse. From warehouse, it comes to report. Our course is here. Here we are now, all of us from today. Database. a platform to store the data, a platform to beautify the placement of our data. For that, we need a software that is called DBMS software. We'll see. Item 4, I'll write here. What is DBMS? Okay, Database Management System. It is a software used to manage and maintain, administer databases. Then what else? Here it is. Number 5. What is SQL Server? A DBMS software from Microsoft company. Friends, I assume we're all very new. Let's go slowly. A software from Microsoft. Okay, it is cheaper, easy to use, and at the same time very fast and very flexible, and supports cloud, means remote storage, and AI, means artificial intelligence. Observe carefully. Okay, observe carefully. Here it is. Next, I repeat again our requirement. Please, let's observe carefully. We're all very new. Let's go slowly. It's a software, a DBMS, used to manage, maintain, and administer databases in a easier way. Easier way. Okay. So what we are learning? Database, types of databases, then job roles, something called DBMS. I'll make the updated notes today in a Word document format so that you'll take a print copy of it. It should be easier for future reference. Next, number 6. What is SQL? Yes, okay, we get the database, we get the software, fine. That is the agenda for today. What about the next item, operations? Yes, to perform operations, we need SQL. See here, SQL, structured query language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a platform to communicate with any database for day-to-day operations. And a variant of SQL called TSQL, Transact SQL. A type of SQL, an extension of SQL to communicate with databases stored in Microsoft SQL Server. Observe carefully. Let's understand it in a simple way. What is it we are learning? I repeat again. Firstly, we'll take database concept. For database concept, we need installation. We'll do it. After we do installation, then slowly we need to step into something called SQL. See on my screen, our next concept. Here we go. See here, we'll take SQL first, TSQL next. SQL first, TSQL next. Here it is. With this information, first let's take database, okay? Then we'll take SQL next one by one. Now, 1 to 7. Next step, how to install the software? Let's see. Number 8, how to install the software. How to install? Let's see here. Option 1, or simply say how to install configure SQL Server. I'll put this way. Option 1, if you are using Windows OS, you may install SQL servers two times plus one tool to connect and implement our day-to-day job activities, database operations. This is first option. Second option, if we are using Mac, then in such a case, then bit of compromise. You need to connect to our online server and also install a tool separately. One tool to connect our online server and implement the activities. Option 1, applicable for everyone. Option 2, applicable for MS SQL, or simply say SQL developers only. If you are into database administration, okay, here it is. Or if you're into say developers and data engineers also, they can do this option. If you're into Power BI or database administration, okay, in such a case, you need to have certain installations in your computer. So Windows OS mandatory for them. Data engineers, SQL developers, Mac is also okay. Applicable for everyone. Good to have Windows OS. Next, let's understand now how to do the installations. I'll show you how to do 2 installations and then how to get the connection, and after we get the connection, we'll continue our practice. Our lab plan now on my screen. See here, Windows OS. We need to install server and tool and connect your online server as well. Other operating system only Azure Data Studio. That's a tool. Remember, it's a tool. Azure Data Studio is a tool. Just install the tool because servers are not supported in Mac. Microsoft servers are not supported in Mac. We only install the tool and then directly connect our server or online server from our SQL School. Okay, this is a process. Let's understand slowly step by step. So you may be using Windows OS or Mac or other OS. Tools are different, but interface is common. Just like Google Chrome and some other browser like Edge, Microsoft Edge or Safari. Browsers are different, purpose is same. Here tools are different, interface, purpose is same. Windows, you can install SQL servers locally in your computer. For best experience, for best learning process, good to have SQL Server installed total 2 times, if possible. How to do that? Let's see. Simple, straightforward activity. Before we proceed, please go through item 1 to 8. Any questions, let me know. We'll slowly step into installation now. Please, any questions, let me know. I'll wait. 1 to 8. Other things leave it to me. 1 to 8, please. Any questions? Please, I'll wait.
Sir, types of database is missing HTAP, sir.
Sir, it's not missing, sir. You should not say that. It's coming in the next item, sir. Detailed
Okay.
installation notes waiting for you, sir. Please, sir. We're all very, very new, sir. Okay?
What is the
Sure.
difference between,
We'll see, sir. We'll see. Kishore, you
sir?
So
have to
what
wait.
is the difference between
Yeah.
SQL
Sir,
and TSQL when both of them are like, they're almost the purpose is same, isn't it? To
Simple, madam. Simple. What's the difference
communicate
between
with the
language and
database.
English? You tell me, madam. What's the difference between language and English? English is a type of language. Windows is a type of OS. TSQL or MS SQL is a type of SQL. So SQL is just a platform, a open source. Microsoft uses the SQL code and sells TSQL compiler. Same SQL used by other companies and they sell their own language compilers. Just like
Okay.
Windows and OS. Windows is a OS, right? What's the difference? Windows is a brand of OS from Microsoft. Same way TSQL is a brand of SQL from Microsoft. So there is nothing
Okay.
called SQL that we can buy. We need to go for a brand, TSQL or PLSQL, MySQL or Google BigQuery, etc. Different companies, different brands. Just like mobile and iPhone. Are
Okay,
you
sir.
getting it, madam?
Got
Blessing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, got it. Thank you, sir.
Fine, madam. Others, please. I'll wait.
Sir, if I get it correctly, like SQL Server is a place where we store the data, and to access that data, we are traveling with DBMS by using the
Yes,
language, the
yes.
SQL.
The vehicle name is SQL and the road name is, the highway name is DBMS. Simple. You are right in your language. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Yes.
Actually, what we have done, the installation is for the server.
We'll see, sir. Yeah, okay, exactly. You're right. Exactly. You're right. We'll see. Yeah. Okay. I said we'll be having a print document, Word document, right? Here it is. Same concept. Was I think notepad in a single screen. Here it is, friends. What is database again? Platform to store any type of data. Different types of databases.
I'm sorry. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Yes.
Usually I prefer questions during Q&A time, not
I'm
in
sorry.
questions, but no problem, sir. Tell me, sir. Tell me. Proceed. Tell me. Yes.
I'm sorry. I
Tell
want
me,
to
sir.
know. Are you send us this video when you
Yeah,
finish from the?
yeah, yeah. I have to. I have to. But it's a non-technical question. I prefer such questions on chat or after the class. Okay.
All right.
Please,
Thank you.
please frame them carefully, friends. We are in a prayer hall. Let's really, we're in a prayer hall.
Okay.
Okay. We are in a prayer hall. We'll expect prasadam after the prayer. I'll continue. I'll
All right.
continue. What
Thank
is
you.
database? So we got what I mean. Friends, let's involve. No deviation. I want 100% attendance. And just in case if anyone missing the intro class earlier, for them once again, write your observation notes. Send me on WhatsApp after the class so that you get more and more. Class notes common, assignments common. You want more? I want more. More interest, more what we say involvement. Please help me. I'll continue. What is database again? I could see if you attendees are joining bit late. Here it is. Platform to store any type of data. There are different types of databases. Today, we're installing OLTP, live data, like live temperature. And here I included the certifications as well. DP203 and DP700. And we have another certification, DP600, a new certification from Microsoft, in case if you are planning for. And SQL, MS SQL, I was showing a small diagram few minutes back. Here it is. To implement SQL, we need a software. Which software? SQL Server. Just like iPhone 13, 14, 15, 16 versions, we have SQL Server 2020 to 2019, so on versions. Each version has different flavors: developer, evaluation, express. These are demo pieces that can be installed in your computer. Our online server I was mentioning few moments back, that would be an enterprise copy. And there was a question about the notes. I will take care. Okay, I'll do notes, material, FAQs, case studies. I will take care. On time practice, you take care. And this is my WhatsApp number for questions, clarifications, if any. I want you to take part in one-to-one resume, one-to-one mock interviews. So let's do our best. Let's get started. Let's get started with our installation process. I'll send you this detailed notes today, and then I have to send you one more installation notes. Let's install SQL Server. I said we have to install SQL Server total 2 times. Why? To learn more. We need to implement something called remote joins, distributed queries, etc. Let's see how to install first server, second server, and the tool. Each server is called instance. Instance we call. Each server we install is called instance. Good to write your observation notes. Of course, my class notes have all those technical jargons. We are installing SQL Server 2 times. From our website, you go to this downloads. Okay, not now. After the class, you'll go to downloads. Let's be clear. This is the one. Today we are installing 2020 to 2019 and a tool called 2022 SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. 2 servers and a tool to connect to the server. How do we do that? Let me show you, and our team would be taking care of the emails anyway. In next 10 minutes max, you'll receive the mails. Let's stay tuned. I repeat again, our requirement: green 1, green 2, yellow 1. Yellow to first green, yellow to second green, yellow to blue. Okay, this is our agenda today. Yellow to first green, yellow to second green, yellow to blue. Let's get first green installation. Where we get it? From our website or Microsoft site. You download the required server, 2022 server, and I'll take you to my other backup machine, and I got my software ready. You might already have installation with you, but let me show you from scratch. I need to assume we are all very new. Let's go slowly, step by step. Good to write your observation notes. We are learning for our sake. Only keywords, important words. For example, I said instance, installation of SQL Server. I repeated 3 times again. Instance, installation of SQL Server. Right click, extract, download, extract. You get a folder. I'll show you 2022 first. Double click on the setup file, installation left, new installation right. Okay, installation left, new installation right. We'll go for questions after revising this installation in another 10 minutes to max 15 minutes. We'll do. I repeat, download and extract. Double click the setup file. You see installation center, and let's wait. In the meantime, hope you got the course curriculum with you, everyone. Please confirm, hope you received the course curriculum from our team earlier at the time of your enrollment, time of your inquiry for the course. Please, have you received it?
Yes,
PDF.
sir.
PDF. Please, others, please.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Please take
Eh,
print copy
Yes,
of
sir.
the PDF. Yes, please take print copy of the PDF. 1 or 2 copies. If I were in your place, I will take 2 copies. One for my rough notes. Okay, this concept we learned. This concept we practiced. This concept we got the mock interview. Something like that. Create a checklist. Create a checklist, please. And I'll be providing one checklist from our website as well for keep track of all the activities. Perform new installation. There are 2 free demo pieces. Evaluation, 6 months trial. Developer, lifelong free. Let's install both, and we need to learn the differences in our next classes. Accept licensing terms. Next, friends, I assume we're all very new. Uncheck Azure. Next, what we are doing? We are setting up the server. First server. There are different types of databases: OLTP, data warehouse, OLAP, HTAP. Select database engine. See here, database engine. For what? For OLTP databases, live real time, live cricket match, live temperature, etc. Select only database engine. Provide the installation name. Every installation is called instance. Please, are we getting it now, everyone? Instance. Yes.
Yes, sir.
New term. Okay, new term, instance. I'll say SQL School INST1. Give some name. Any name is okay. Next. We can install like this up to 50 times per OS. Up to 50 times per OS. Give some name, admin name. You are done. That's it. I will cancel. I will cancel and repeat once again. We need to do total 2 installations, right? Let's observe carefully. Download, right click, extract, double click the folder. There is one setup application file. Okay, we'll plan our questions. We'll decide our questions after revision. Observe carefully, please. Installation left, new installation right. We are in the first house, first server. Okay, we have total 2 servers required today. We will do one by one, nothing to hurry. Installation left, new installation right. Let me show you now, slowly, step by step. Observe carefully. What we do? Updates uncheck next. It's all next only. Very simple. Observe carefully. Any warnings, kindly ignore them. I will take care. Next. New installation. Next. Just default. Default it is evaluation. Leave it. Next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Uncheck Azure. Azure is a Microsoft cloud. We'll take it for our classes with AI components, part of our course. For now, next. Only three important inputs, remember. Database engine, purpose, OLTP. Don't select all. And I'll say SQL School, INST1. Any name is fine. Next. Any questions after revision, please? Provide the installation name. Any name is okay. That installation is called instance. Next. Admin name. That's it. You are done. So database engine, installation name, admin name. Next. Install. SQL Server is my house. Databases are my rooms. Cupboards are my tables from tomorrow's journey. House, room, cupboard, okay? And the shelves are the columns, remember. Yes, MS Office is Excel file is Excel sheet. Sheet have columns to store the data. Here server have database. Database have tables. Tables have columns to store the data. Let me come back again. What is server? House. House, remember. Because from tomorrow, we are going to learn slowly something called databases, okay? Those databases, we are going to happily learn something called room. What is it? Room, floor, camera, cupboards, etc., etc. Make it simple. Let's love it. Once again, server is my house. First house, only one gate. The second house that we are going to create now will have two entry points, okay? Two gates. Those entry points, those gates are called authentication. What is that? Remember something called authentication. Remember, authentication. Anyway, I'll close all these windows. Let's observe carefully. We are still on the first server. Each server takes not more than 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Please install the same thing carefully. We are in the first house. We'll talk about rooms, the camera and the floor and the cupboards and the shelf from tomorrow. Leave it to me. But that is our actual rhythm of the class, okay, from tomorrow. Let's love it carefully. We are in the first house, first greenhouse, almost ready. In the meantime, I'll take you to my downloads. Okay, we got first server ready. Second server 2019, the previous version. Right click, extract. We get a folder. You can ask me, Sai, do we need to install two servers? Yes, for our classes we need it. Why? By next week we need to learn something called remote joins, linked servers. We need it. For our practice examples, for our no compromise learning, we need it. Install the second server. Please tell me what we have to do now. Please sing with me. Attendees who are singing with me will have extra item today. I promise you. Really, not only today. Yes, every now and then we have those kind of activities. We do more, we get more. Really, please. Let's filter each other. I want interested attendees. Please help me. Quick. What we do? Please help me. Please. Let's put our effort. I'm putting my energy. Please. Double click setup file, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Double click a file. Okay. Let's enjoy it carefully. Lot of things are there to learn.
Installation.
Installation.
Exactly.
Good.
Exactly. Go to installation.
New SQL.
New SQL Server.
New SQL. First option.
In the exactly, sister, you are right. In the meantime, my previous one got installed successfully. I'll close it. Now, new installation. This is my second house. Remember. Next. Some background sound somewhere. Please help me. Please. Let's get the new screen to arrive now. I'll wait. Nancy M. Madam, some background sound, madam. Kindly check your mic, please. Please help me, please. Warnings ignore for now. Okay. Next. What we have to do here? Developer. Friends, everyone, please. Are we getting it now? Are we getting it, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Simple, right? Because you have to understand the differences. Okay. Developer lifelong free. See, developer edition, I'll mark it here, okay, to make it clear. Developer edition, I'll take a different marker to make it clear. Developer edition does not have expiration. Evaluation, 180 days. Evaluation. And don't go for Express. It will not support our course. If you are using Express edition, you will see a lot of trouble from tomorrow itself. Express edition is very basic. That is for students and academic projects. Microsoft has learning and upskill agreements with few governments, schools, colleges, etc. For them, they have Express edition. Okay, it's not for you and me. No. We are not into academic learning here. No, we need to learn something big, something useful. Developer. Next. Accept. Next. Please help me now. What I have to do? Please.
Database.
Engine services.
Exactly. We need to go for database engine, right? Here it is. Select database engine. Others, if you want notes, you have to respond. If you want notes and the link for tomorrow's class, you have to respond. Okay, really, let's be clear. Okay, I have to filter the things now. I have to filter. Please help me. I should be cautious. See, we need to have like-minded class, right? It should be a useful way. Please help me. I'll continue. And I'm doing the same for almost 18, 19 years. My Google
This is second instance.
age of my contact number is almost 19 or 20 years. I'm sure about it. Or website name or the contact number. Please help me.
Instance name.
Two.
Exactly.
Instance
Now,
2.
question starts. Hi, what is default? Let's see. Default means
It is a
installation name comes automatically. You no need to give any name, not required. Or you give your own name. Give your own name. Default, we'll be using in production environment or online server. Default, learning environment, your local server. Default, our online server production. Named, your learning environment, your local server. Give some name, no space in the name, remember. Okay, no space in the name. Don't give any space. It gives nice error if you give any space. Don't give any space. And language, collation. Some background sound, please check it, please. Thank you. Collation means language setting. You can change the language setting, like you can give Ukraine, Russian. Okay, Ukraine, Russian, like this. For now, cancel. Leave it to default English. So collation means language setting. Next. This is my second house. My old grandma's house. It has two gates.
current user you have to add.
It has two gates. SQL authentication, Windows authentication. For SQL authentication, there is a watchman name at the gate. SA. Remember, system administrator. Give a key. You give a key. Nothing but the password. Okay, like this. I said SQL Server is a house, right? My old grandma's house. 2 gates. One at the front, beside the road, small road, and other one near the well, back side or side, near the well. So 2 gates now. One for Windows users, main gate. SQL users, side gate. I should not say back gate now, side gate. Anyone can connect. Mac users, Linux users, Android, iOS, any user can connect using SQL authentication. So my second house is more powerful now. Choose mixed mode authentication. Leave the remaining things to me. Next. I repeat, second mode. SA. What is authentication? Gate, entry point. To connect to the server, first server, only Windows users are allowed. Second server, Windows users and non-Windows users both are allowed here. Next, install. What is server now? My house. Okay. My house, 1 gate, my grandma's house, 2 gates. We have both houses ready in the same compound. Single operating system, single computer. We can install up to 50 green boxes like this. We can install up to 50 installations, 50 instances we can do like this. We are taking only 2 instances. Let my second greenhouse get ready. In the meantime, my yellow tool is there, right? Yes, yes, yes. SQL Server Management Studio. It's a common road for both houses. Install. In your case, you'll see install. In my case, it's already installed anyway. Double click, install like this. No extra steps, nothing. Simply say install. Once you click on install, yes, it will automatically continue the installation process. After you complete the installation of 2 servers and tool, now let's see our color code of the class today. Yellow to first green, yellow to second green, yellow to blue. You remember everyone, please? Please, you
Yes.
remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Please, let's
yes,
move
Yes,
on.
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
do, let's okay? Please, I need your support. And
Yes.
some attendees are not responsive. Please, this is not your college or university. This is our life. Please, I want only interested attendees from tomorrow. Please help me. I'll continue. Really, it may sound bit new, but I follow the same. I have been doing it. I'm fine with it. And I'll be the only trainer in my school for these Microsoft technologies. Pretty sure. Please help me. I should be cautious. I should be ready for tomorrow. Close. Any installation issue, please WhatsApp me. I was requesting you all to respond to my question during this revision process, right? And I said, please respond. I'm going to give more. I was telling, right? There we are.
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Attendees
sir.
are responsive.
yes,
We'll get
sir.
extra mail today
Okay, sir.
on possible solutions and common errors for installation with my YouTube videos for every possible error in the solution. It will save a lot of time. We can go with or enter with a nice confidence. There are a lot of common errors and solutions for installation. You want it, so you are responding in the class today. I will send it. Please take print copy of the PDF for the extra mail that has the installation errors and the solutions today. Attentive attendees. I'll continue. Close. I promise it. You do more, you get more. As simple as that. Demo for me is like filtering the participants. You filter me, I filter you. Simple. I'll continue. Back to our track now. Okay, we got the 2 servers ready. Management Studio ready. Double click and start. Now let's see how to test the installation. Friends, we are all very new. Let's observe carefully. I open a browser. This is my environment. What I'll do, sqlschool.com. Same browser, another tab, and something like this, sqlgate.com, something like this. This is for our corporate trainings actually. Individual trainings, corporate trainings. That's different story anyway. I mean, one browser, multiple websites, same compound, same office. One browser, multiple websites, same concept now. One tool, two servers. This one. I click on this SQL Server, Management Studio, one browser, multiple websites, one tool, multiple servers. That's it. Let's see. Sorry, Sai, I forgot my server name. I was involved in the class and I'm writing my keywords here. I forgot the server name that we mentioned earlier. No problem. Drop down, browse for more. Remember everyone, please. Database engine, right? We installed this database engine today. Please, you
Yes, sir.
remember
Yes.
database
Yes,
engine?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Remember.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
Yeah, we remember.
perfect. Click. These are all my installed instance from various classes all these days, last 13 days. Sorry, I think Jan also, yeah, last 2 days, last 2 to 3 weeks. Now, what I'll do? Instance one. Okay. Trust. Connect. Remember, Windows authentication, main gate,
Yeah.
connect. You are ready? I'll repeat. Observe carefully. Search SSMS like this. Okay. Search SSMS. Please observe carefully. We'll go for questions another 1 or 2 minutes. Please observe carefully. Okay. Search SSMS. We don't know the server name. Observe carefully. Don't know the server name. Okay. Here it is. Drop down. Browse for more. Expand database engine. Select the required server. Okay. Trust. Okay, like a security check to enter the gate. Connect. You are done. Yellow to first green. Connect database engine. Browse for more. Database engine. Second server. Okay. Trust. For second server, you can use either main gate or side gate. For now, main gate, okay. To make it simple, connect. Later, we are going to use a side gate as well very soon. We'll do one by one. Next. With this information, then what next? Let's see. Connect database engine. You'll be given an email. Post your course registration. You'll be receiving an email from our team for our online server credentials. Paste the credentials like this, in this way. SQL School dot or SQL School online server dot database dot windows.net. Remember, we are connecting to a server outside your computer. You are connecting to a server outside your network. So it should be SQL authentication. That is a concept here. SQL authentication means you are connecting to a server outside your Windows environment. That is a concept. Just like ISD. Okay. Or STD. Simply STD. Local STD. Something like that. Local Windows STD SQL. Remember this way. Local Windows STD SQL. Okay. Now there is ISD also coming up very soon. Cloud, ISD, cloud. That's different. Now login, password, connect. That's it. You are done. Yellow to first green, yellow to second green, yellow to blue. We are ready for tomorrow's class. I repeat. Launch SSMS. No. You repeat. Tell me now. Please help me.
Yeah. Launch
Go to
SSMS.
SSMS.
Connect.
Click on
Yeah. The server name.
Server
Yeah.
name.
Browse.
browse for more. Database
Database
engine.
engine.
Then server
Select the server.
Server name.
Yeah.
Instance 1.
Insta1.
Yes.
Okay.
And trust
Okay.
server certificate.
Connect.
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 If you don't trust,
And then
you put one.
connect
Okay.
Database engine.
database engine and
Browse for
server.
more.
Database
Database
engine.
engine.
Instance
Server.
2.
Yeah. Second instance.
Exactly. Here it is. Okay. So provide the
Yeah.
required installation name here. Second server.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second server.
Trust
Trust
server certificate. Connect.
Connect
Third
database
server,
engine.
online server. I'll provide you one server
Online
detail.
server.
Yeah.
Authentication like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Authentication and connect. That's it. You are done.
Mm.
Are we clear, please? Server
Yes, sir.
configuration. I'm
Yes,
waiting.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah.
Thank you. We'll stop for today. Thank you. It has been responsive. Really appreciate others. Our team shall call you and ask you question why there is no response. You need to give a proper reason for it. See, we have to filter each other. Simple. We need to have nice classes. I need it. It's a technical class. Please, we'll stop for today. Any questions, please? Over to you now. In the meantime, email sent. Kindly check. Complete notes sent. Kindly check. Please, we'll wait.
Sir, for online servers, like every time it will, like whichever the online servers we are connecting, it will be
Yes.
like IP address, or it can be the .net or .com, something like that.
No, not IP address. No. Security is important. We respect your security. It's like an application server in this way.
Application server. So always it will
Okay.
be like
The IP address will be a public IP, right? Against security problems, actually. Okay. So yes, we use one licensed copy. This one. The same server you get actually. Same server, but different login password based on your course and the level of your learning. I mean, like level means like plan A, plan B we have, right? Those things based on that.
so it is like
Uh,
if we
s-
are trying to
so,
log in.
sir, like if we do not have installed this server, so directly we'll use the third one for the online, right? Then we don't need to
Exactly.
install
You
the
are right.
first one.
Exactly. Yeah. Best learning experience. Installed servers also. No, you
Mm.
cannot. You can use your online server directly for initial 3 weeks of the course. Initial 3 weeks only you can use, madam. After that, again, you require your local server also for extra items. We
Okay.
need it. Yes.
Okay. So for now, only SSMS tool we can have it
Yeah,
installed
yeah,
and
you
we
are
can connect
exactly.
and
You are right.
access.
Exactly. For now, only browser is enough and connect to our website. Something like that. Yes, you are right. Exactly.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm trying to be installing on Apple laptop and it's not going. What can I do?
Got it, brother. I understood. Let's communicate on WhatsApp and we can take it from there. Okay. You can just
All right.
WhatsApp your your friends. One thing.
And
In the
and then you
class
say
you'll be having like this. Okay. In the class you'll be mock test like this. I forgot. Like for experience profiles, extra items. Class is common, but there should be some classification in our learning activities as well. common questions and other questions in our 5th chapter of the course. That's how we do actually. So I need your support. And any questions, you have my WhatsApp number 90300400801. And to reach our team, you can use our old number 9666440801. Okay, or this one team number, just in case. You can reach me directly for technical questions on my number in case. Any question,
Sir, I
please?
have one more question.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
this third one, while we are using this authentication mode, what if the password we forget or expired?
Yeah,
Do
we'll
we
see,
have
madam.
that flexibility to
Yeah,
change?
why not? Yeah. SQL Server is just like Suzuki Samurai. No problem. Really.
Okay.
No problem. We can.
Okay.
I'll show you. Okay. Yeah. We'll see, madam, how to set the password.
Okay.
Next question, please. Hope you got the email, everyone. Please, I'll wait.
Sir, I tried to install
Yes, sir.
SSMS,
Just now I got.
Yeah, yes, madam. You try to install. Okay. Tell me.
but it is showing like repair, uninstall, and
Or
that like that.
that's fine actually. That's expected, madam. Just restart the computer. It should work. No problem. Should work.
But 2018 it worked. 2018. If so, do
I
you want me
understand.
to continue 2018 or uninstall and 2020
No,
install
don't
2022?
uninstall anything. Never uninstall anything. Just restart the computer and try this latest one again. It should work. Let me
I
know.
did, sir. I did. Still, it's showing the same.
There's please send WhatsApp with a screenshot once. I'll check it out. Don't uninstall
Sure.
anything. WhatsApp
Thank
me,
you.
please.
Uh-huh.
Sure.
Thank you.
If required, we need to have Google Meet and connect your computer if required. Will do. Yep.
Sir, I have a request. Can you share the Microsoft site download for the 2019?
2019, right? 1 minute, madam.
Yeah, sure.
Google.com. SQL Server 2019.
No, because when I went to the downloads and it did not lead me to that, it went to the other evaluation edition. So
I understand. Madam, you can try. Oh, these are 2022, I think. Wait. Just wait, madam. It's 2022. But can you give me some 5-10 minutes time, please? I can quickly fetch and I can send it after the class today. Okay, I'll do.
yeah,
Sure.
sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll do. Oh yeah, I got it, madam. Could you please send me a hi message on WhatsApp, madam? I can send it right now. I got it. I'll do.
Sure, sir. I'll do that.
Sure.
Sir, can you just put it in chat, the link?
Just now, I kept it on the chat actually. Just now put it on the chat.
Okay, thank you.
Just now on the chat it was put actually. Could you please check it once? I'll wait. I send it to everyone just now.
Okay.
Yes, madam. I have seen your WhatsApp message, madam. Just now sent. Please check.
Thank you.
Have you got my message, sir? Repair, uninstall, and close one.
Yeah, sure, madam. I'll check it once and get back to you. Sure, I got it. Your number ending with 9456, right? Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, got it. UK number. Got it. Sure, I'll do. Yeah. Thank you, friends. Have a nice time and meeting from tomorrow to slowly start our examples. Need your support. I want the same level of nice response, everyone. Please help me. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thanks, sir.
Thank,
Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hope you received
Thank
the
you,
mail.
Thank you, sir.
Go
Yeah.
Yeah.
nice.
Hope you received the mail.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, sir. We have got.
Hello.
Sure. Others, please. I'll wait.
Sir, I did not get any email.
Oh,
Uh,
who is this? Karnakar, right? Karnakar.
Yes,
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 uh,
yes, yes.
Sir, it's asking for installation type as in basic, custom, or download media.
Download, madam. Download. That download extract. You remember? Download extract, madam. Okay.
Okay.
Please. As it is. Please follow the notes as it is, madam. It should work. If not, I am there. Please. Karnakar, I'm
Okay,
sending it.
sure, sure.
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
else? I'm sending it now. Anyone else, please?
Sir, I
Anyone
also
else?
haven't received the mail, sir.
Oh, Surya, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah,
I'm sending it.
sure.
Sure. Anyone else, please?
I didn't get the mail, sir.
No
Oh,
email yet.
your name? Leila Goli, right? Yeah.
Yeah, no, not received, sir. Haven't received.
1 minute, madam. I'm sending it manually. Please wait.
Mhm.
Yeah, just now send. Karnakar, Surya, Leila, please check it, friends. I'll wait.
Now I got the mail, sir. Thank you.
Sure, madam. Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I have received the mail.
Fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Meeting tomorrow to slowly start from the scratch. Thank you so much. Start from the basics of SQL. Thank you.
Sir, still not.